left this the last video. We had a bounce right in this area, what we were looking for. We had the 3, 4, 5. Ended up right like this in here though. 3, 4, a little bit tighter in here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we came up to there. Now you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside here. And then a bounce back up. Looks like it's coming down to retest this as support. And then heading up out of here. We're going to take a deeper look here, but looking good. The whole market's looking good, actually. If we can check this out. Look at Bitcoin, right? That's the monthly RSI starting to turn back to the upside. But anyway, I got to show you this. We got a break, beautiful break. We got some weekly. All right, we got a break of this resistance in here. Let's get our pointer. Well, let's just back up here a minute, right? There we go. Get that off there. I just did a video for Caspa. The whole market just looking really good. Let's get that white off there. Let's zoom in there. There we go. And yeah, we got Bitcoin snapping out of here. This bull flag wedge. It's a wedge. There's a bull flag also in here. Okay, you got a bull flag right down through here. So you got a bull flag, wedge, whatever you want to call it. We have a break of the top side here. So that is fantastic. That's what we want to see here. Looks like you got right in here a 1, 2, maybe a wave 3 starting here. All right, you're going to have 5 waves inside there. But, something here going on and a push up here. But Bitcoin looks really good. You got the weekly RSI, 61 to 59, bullish. The daily, 97 and 99. That is actually a little bearish here, but we're getting a push here on the smaller time frames, the 4 hours turning up. All right, and you can see this thing, if it probably a push up to 69 and a half to 70,000 bucks here coming. That you got your 4 hour turning up, but that's the first target area, right? We got this target. I would expect probably something like this, guys, a run up here to that, and then a retest of this area as support, and then a bounce out of here. That is ideally what you want to see out of here. Okay, a run up to the target, back test, and a bounce. All right, now that's with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking great. It really is overall, and I've talked about this for months and months and months. If we come out, probably a year now, actually. If we come out on this, right, you got showed this 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this measurement up to 89,000 bucks. If you have your flag in here, you would take a measurement of the flagpole, right? You got your flag, all right? The flagpole go from the bottom up to the bottom of the flag, right there. Put it on the breakout area, right there. You could have a target right up here to 100,000 bucks. All right, that's so somewhere in this range. Bitcoin's gonna end up. Okay, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Nothing is a guarantee, but it is definitely looking that way, right up in this area. Hey guys, I'm using a new site for leverage trading. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Fairdesk closed, bummer, but BINGX, I love it. You can download a free VPN if you're in the US. Right here it is. I'll show you. It's called One Click VPN. Totally free. I use it. It works great. I've been on it 4 hours now. Just go over there and download that, and then hit the link in the description of the video. It'll take you over there and sign up. Especially if you're in the Discord. That way we're all on the same page with price action. But that's to get into Discord, you need to sign up for a level 3 membership. You get over 10 hours of videos. Over 20 videos in there teach how to start charting, and a link to Discord to come trade with us. We just got in a fetch trade. There's going to be a lot of money to be made now with the market turning bullish, so I'm not trying to sell you on that, but we have over 200 people in there, and we've been doing very well. The longs are going to kill it now, so consider signing up, at least the videos, man. Watch all the videos. Learn how to do this stuff yourself. That's where, if you're financially independent, you can't go to college for this or anything. You got to teach yourself. All right, so check it out. 15 bucks. If you don't like it after a month, cancel it. But there are a lot of people in there, a lot of good traders. Mr. Gray posted that STX trade there. Looking for the month, looking pretty good out there. This is going to be weekly pretty soon. You're going to see Bitcoin dominance take a roll over here. Look at this. Another thing we've been watching for a year, right, is this. And look how close we are to party time. Almost there. 59% hit. And, one more percentile. That's your 618 Fibonacci. And the support is going to break, and Bitcoin dominance has a target down here around 25% roughly. And that is perfectly a normal area for this thing to run, right? It would go from 60%. That's a 50% move to the downside, all right? 2021, it hit the 618 and dropped, 47%, all right? You had a little alt season here, but back here in 2017, when it hit right up here, this one ended up being the big one. Look at Bitcoin dominance. It was 99%. 99% dominance. And it dropped down to 36%, 64% drop. Yeah, so get ready. It's almost here, guys. No doubt about it. And everything is gonna. I'm sure everything is gonna run from this. Now, Myro, we've talked about this and talked about it. That 17.6 needs to be taken out. Right, obvious. This is looking good, making higher highs and higher lows. That's what we want to do. And quite honestly, personally, I think it more than likely bottomed here and is starting to the upside. I mean, once it gets up in this range, it would have to lose a lot with Bitcoin being as bullish as it is. Now, could it range in here for, could this run up and come back and range in here for a while? Absolutely, before it blows out through. No question about it. This is not financial advice at all. For all we know, we get our 5 waves up and it takes down and then bounces up. Just going to have to check it out and see how this rolls. But getting higher highs and higher lows, we had this zone down here, right down through here, right, that we ended up breaking now, back testing. Now we're up into the second zone. That's good to see. That is absolutely what you want to see on Myro. Breaking these zones, okay? This zone here is the big one, 17.6. This is the big area to get out of. Now, if we zoom in here, you can see what's going on here. Look at these charts for hours every single day. All right, you can see it looks like a 5 wave here coming down. A retest of this area as support now. Right, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it'll retest this prior resistance as support. The target for this bottom, it's not got it. It could come low. It could come down to there. It absolutely could. A lot of wicks through there and everything else, but mainly it's going to test this 9.7 to 9.3 area as support, and that's where this thing should start heading back up to the upside. All right, this would be the wave 4 pullback here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right on top of wave 1. Shouldn't go deeper than that. If it does, then something's wrong. A possible target for this 5th wave would be a little bit 15.7, 15.7. Could extend up here back up to 17.6 easily, no question about it. Not saying it won't. This wave 3 came to here. All right, but we're just going to have to see how it goes. Right here, you definitely want to see this hold as support. This area right here, okay? You do not want to see a break of what? 9.3, 9.3. You want to see 9.3 hold, and you want to see this start heading back to the upside. The 4 hour, just about reset, okay? Almost there. The 1 hour is heading up, okay? We still need just a little bit more of a push down here. Not much, okay? Not much at all. Just 5% roughly, 4 or 5%. So, and it looks like it looks like an ABC right there. But looks like, you want to see this retest down here and then bounce out of here. So we'll keep an eye on this. We're going to put a box right down here, so when we come back, we see what happens here. But you want to see it come down here and retest this former resistance as support. Could bounce right out of here right now, but looks like a 5-wave down to me is what it looks like in here, and it just has a little bit more down to go. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Go sign up for that level 3. Come over and trade with us. Have a great day.